Good day, everyone. I'm Cantler Applejoy Ampal-Yamina from Visayas State University, Alang-Alang. Today, I'll show our work on integrating skills competency assessment and academic performance for career pathway mapping in analytics and AI. This work addresses a very real problem faced by graduates and employers alike. Let me start with this. In the Philippines, nearly 40% of workers are overeducated for their jobs, while around 25% are undereducated. This means a huge portion of our workforce is mismatched with the roles they take on, and the impact is even more pronounced in fields like analytics and artificial intelligence, where skills evolve so quickly. Now, the Philippine Skills Framework for Analytics and AI, or PSF-AAI, was introduced to address this mismatch. It defines job roles and competencies clearly. But here's the problem. Universities haven't really integrated it into career guidance. Most career services are still generic, things like resume writing workshops. What we need is something evidence-based, something tailored. That's where our study comes in. We developed a data-driven career guidance platform that brings together two powerful elements: a competency assessment aligned with the PSF-AAI and academic performance data. By combining this, we can give students personalized career recommendations that actually reflect their readiness for industry roles. Our platform runs on three main algorithms. First, the Skills Competency Assessment, which measures proficiency. Second, the Career Pathway Mapping Algorithm, which compares student scores with job requirements. And third, a job matching algorithm, which integrates GPA to ensure holistic recommendations. Together, these components generate realistic, tailored career pathways. To measure competency, we built a 33-item test aligned with PSF-AAI domains, covering areas like agile methods and AI compliance. Students' answers place them into 4 levels: basic, intermediate, advanced, or expert. This gives a clear snapshot of their technical readiness. Once competencies are scored, our mapping algorithm compares them with the specific job roles in the framework. It then calculates a completion percentage, basically how close the student is to meeting a role's requirements. If there are gaps, the system recommends exactly which skills to develop and where to find resources. We didn't stop there. Academic performance matters too. So, we combined competency scores with GPA in a weighted model: 50% for skill match, 30% for proficiency level, and 20% for GPA. This ensures recommendations are not only skills-based but also grounded in academic consistency. Here's what we found with 165 graduating students. Nearly half, 46%, were at the intermediate level. About 30% reached advanced, 19% were still at the basic level, and less than 5% hit expert level. Clearly, most students are not yet at mastery, showing a real need for structured upskilling. And what careers were recommended? The most common match was Associate Data Analyst, a good entry-level role for students at basic to intermediate levels. More advanced roles like Machine Learning Engineer or Data Engineer were only recommended to a handful of students. This shows the platform doesn't overpromise. It gives realistic, attainable advice. So what does this mean? Traditional career services offer very general advice. Our system, by contrast, is evidence-based and personalized. Students see exactly which roles they qualify for today and which skills they need to develop for tomorrow. It promotes adaptability and lifelong learning, qualities essential in analytics and AI. Our contribution is twofold. First, we built the first PSF AI-aligned competency assessment integrated into career guidance. Second, we combined it with academic performance data, something that's often overlooked. This makes our platform both practical and scalable. Of course, there are limitations. The current assessment is multiple choice. It doesn't yet capture practical skills like coding or system integration. And for now, it only covers analytics and AI roles. These areas we aim to expand. Looking ahead, we want to introduce simulation and project-based assessments to better capture real-world skills. We also plan to expand to other domains like cybersecurity, cloud computing, and software engineering, making the platform relevant to a broader set of students and industries. In summary, our platform integrates skills, competency, and academic performance to provide realistic, personalized career pathways. It reduces education to employment mismatches, aligns graduates with industry needs, and guides them toward targeted upskilling. Ultimately, it helps shape not just careers, but futures. Let me close with this thought. Bridging education to employment is not only about getting students hired. It's about empowering them to grow and thrive in the workforce. We would like to thank our institutions, collaborators, and the Analytics and AI Association of the Philippines. This framework was instrumental in this research. Thank you, and I look forward to your questions.